Hello, everyone. I am Noah King. I am a YouTuber and filmmaker operating. Well, I won't say that, just for anonymity's sake. But today I'm going to make a little music for you guys. A little bit of calming, relaxing ambient music. In fact, I've never made music of any kind professionally before. This is going to be my first attempt, and I never really listened to ambient music in any real meaningful way, except for Brian Eno's Music for Airports, which was so boring it felt like I was at an airport. Am I right? Anyway, so that's what we're doing today. It struck me as being very simple to achieve the effect of ambient music. And I thought I would give it a try, see if I can crank out some delicious ambient tunes for y'all. So, alright, here we go. Here's track 1, coming at ya. Okay. Different mode. Oh yeah, now we're getting it. Oh yeah. Alright, well let's see what time we got here. 2:34. Alright, that's probably good for the first track on the album. Hello! Okay, this is weird. This is how I started off the last song. Alright, you guys, track 2! We're on to track 2. Alright, so we're gonna get a little bit funky with this one. Let's see if you guys dig on this new sound right here. A little bit of... Are you feeling it? Feel the ambience surrounding you. The cold, harsh winter of ambient music. Oh yeah. All the sound building up. There's gotta be more stuff I could do on this. Ooh. ambient music. It's sneaking up on you. It's coming to get you. Alright, now we're gonna hit you with some smooth stuff right here. Oh yeah, girl. I know you're feeling this. Ambient music. Get funky time. Oh yeah. I know you're feeling it. Some chill stuff to relax/study to. Baby making music, y'all. Hell yeah. That was dumb. That last time. Yeah, we're on the track. Oh yeah. Feeling it now. This one's an odyssey. Through space and time. Get ready, because it's coming. It's peaking. It's gonna come all over you. That ambient album, it's gonna be reinvented, y'all. Get ready for some. Is bad. This track is bad. Let's just get crazy with it, you know? I think for this next one, I'm just gonna, you know, kind of get a little nuts, alright? I hope that's okay with you guys. I know ambient music, it's kind of like supposed to be the bread sandwich of music, but, you know, I don't see why it has to be that way. I feel like we can really, you know, go a little crazy. Let's hit you with some of this. even sure what that's supposed to be. Let's go for like... This one says it's called birth noise, but it's like... I'm not sure how... I mean, it's BRTHNOIZ, so I'm not sure. Maybe that's something different. Maybe that's like an instrument. But does this sound like birth noise to you? I mean, I've never seen like a woman give birth before. I mean, I guess I was born, but I obviously don't have a clear recollection of those events. But I'm not sure how this is. That time it barely made a noise. Yeah, alright, sorry about this one. That was a downer. What about this? Citignizil 1. That's dumb. Full click. Where are like the fun ones? Ooh. Taking a shower. Yeah. That's interesting. Shower music. Music to shower to. Maybe that's what this should be called. Music to shower to. Just let it wash over you. Just let it wash on. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash. It's washing you. The music, it's washing you. It's washing over you. Wash. Washing over. My name is Jonas. I'm carrying the world. There's Jonas. There's I just wanted to mix it up with the guitar bass track, cause I never use this thing. Anyway. Alright, everyone. We're getting there. The end of the album. I think it might be the end of my entire music career. Maybe not. It could not even be the end of the album. Who knows? Fellow listener, humble listener, you at home, lady, gentleman, whichever one you are, I'm glad you stayed through this with me. Through this ambient music LP or EP. I haven't decided what to call it yet. I'm glad I could provide some chill ambient beats to relax/study to. You know, for this last song, I want to make it something special. Something special for you, the viewer. I mean, the listener. Sorry, I'm used to, video formats and all that. Just want to make something special that you're going to take home with you. On this journey called life. We only got so much, I forgot what I was going to say. But, it's important to expand your musical palettes, and I don't particularly care for ambient music. I think it's alright. I prefer the art rock kind of Brian Eno music, but you gotta expand your palette. And that's what this album is, an attempt to expand my palette, expand the listener's palette, through a series of beautiful, haunting, ambient music songs. I hope I've done that for you, fair listener. And, while we're on the subject, let's get back to jamming. How about that? One last ride. Funky stuff, keeping it real, keeping it sleazy, down at the Big Easy of my sex music. Yeah, just kidding, y'all. This was sex music the whole time. Baby making shit. Yeah, oh girl, we're hitching you with some oh yeah, girl, didn't even know what hit ya. Practicing all right. And hit you with that shit one more time. Let's go. Sonic music odyssey. We're taking you on a trip, a supersonic trip through the sounds of my mind. Keeping it groovy, keeping it sleazy, keeping it down by the music hole of my heart. Oh yeah. I apologize for the silence. It's just, on some records they have a hidden track, and I'm just singing through that so we can get to the hidden track at the end. It's a real fun, tasty jam. You would be right.